Hey everyone, got another box of 0910 Ultimate Collection Hockey, so let's see what we get. This is my first box of this product this year, so I'm kind of excited to see what I get here. Usual, it's very nice packaging, always nice packaging with Ultimate. And there's the pack. Looks so it must be a little beat up in the corner there. Do you guys see that? Really unusual. Hopefully the cards are in decent shape. It's pretty thick, this pack. Let's see what we get. Maybe a one-on-one tag. Might get into the dang thing. What do we got here? Okay, let's begin. Well, they're really nice actually. It's my first time seeing them. So Marc-Andre Fleury base, numbered to 399. A Scott Parse Ultimate Rookie, numbered to 399. A redemption. Let's see, what do we got? Oh wow, very nice. Got a Evander Kane Ultimate Rookie out of 99, guys. So I'm not going to complain about that card. Ultimate Auto Rookie, no patch, but still pretty strong. That's okay. And last but not least, Zach Parise, premium swatch, numbered to 35 with a crease. I don't know if you guys can see that, right on the top of the card there. Right here, guys. Which I'm not totally impressed with that. But anyways, there we go. Pretty good box. Evander Kane out of 99, auto rookie. I'll take it. Thanks for watching, and have a great weekend, folks.